and welcome to Mini Crafts for Little Hands, and today I'm going to show you how to make these lovely little birds of paradise here. So let me show you what you're going to need. A nice little selection of stuff here. You're going to need a glue stick and a pair of scissors, and you might need a pencil. You also need a round shape to draw around. I just use the lid of a pot. And a little pair of googly eyes. You'll also need a selection of paper. You're going to need, I've used a bit of card here, a bit of stiffer paper, and that's going to be for the body of my bird. And what I've done is I've cut a circle out of that using my little shape, my little lid. So that's already done. And then for the bird's wings, what you'll need is a little colourful piece of paper, and this is an A4 page folded in half and cut. So that's about an A5 page then of coloured paper. Again, if you don't have coloured paper, just get some white paper and colour it all in and draw pictures. It'll look gorgeous. So I've got these two. And then for my bird's tail, I've got a selection of tissue paper here. So I've got some nice bright tropical colours. I've got some yellows and an orange and a nice pink. And they're going to make my lovely bird's fantail here at the end. And finally, you might want a little bit of orange paper, and that's to cut out a little beak. And what you do is you just get your page and you cut a triangle out of the corner. So you just do a nice slit across there, and that gives you a little triangle, and that's what we're going to use as our bird's beak. Okay, so we're all ready now, ready to get started making our birds. So we'll start off with this little circle of card that we've already cut out, and this is going to be the body of our bird. Okay, as you can see here, just like this one. So the first thing you do is you fold it in half, and when you fold a circle in half, that becomes a semicircle. So we're creating a semicircle shape here, and then just fold down the edges there, and it almost creates a little bird shape already. There's our bird's body. Now the next thing I think it will need is its little beak. So I'm going to take this little triangle here, and I'm going to fold it in two. Here's my triangle folded in two, and I'm going to put a little bit of glue inside the bird, and then put the triangle inside as well. So at the very edge here of the fold, I've got a little bit of glue on both sides, and then I'm just going to press that in. There you go, there's our bird's little beak. The next thing it's going to need is its eyes. So I've got these nice googly eyes, and sometimes these are self-adhesive, which means it's just like a plaster. You can pull the back off it and stick them on. Other times they need their own glue. There you go. I've got my little bird's eyes on, and I've got one on each side. Now what we're going to do is we're going to make its wings. So I'm going to take this little piece of paper here, which is an A4, a normal sheet of paper, folded in half, and then I've just cut across that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create a little fan here. So I fold it about a finger's width back on itself. As you can see there, about that much. Then I turn it around and I fold that bit back. And then I turn it around and I fold that bit back. And I keep going until I've got the whole page done. So here's my fan shape, and this is going to be from bird's wings. What I want to do now is to take it, and I'm going to fold it in two, just like this. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick a little bit of glue in the middle of it. I'm going to take this, and I'm going to put it down on either side, like that there. It almost looks like the wings are falling down, okay? But what we're going to do is we're going to bend them up slightly, just about 1 centimetre down, and you make a little bend, okay? And the same with the other side. And that way, our little wings start to stick out, like a proper little bird. So there's its wings. Bird's wings. Now all it needs is a lovely little tail. So what I'm going to do is I've got my different coloured paper, and I've layered it all up on top of each other, all the different colours. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut a strip in all those layers. There's 4 or 5 layers there. And I'm going to cut a strip, and again it would be about a finger's width. So I'm just going to cut down through that. So here's my little strips all cut. What I want to do, and this is quite delicate, I want to put a little bit of glue in the middle of each colour and stick them on top of each other. And that makes sure that the tail all stays in together. Here we are, and they're all stuck and secured together. So then what we do is we fold that in 2 again. And we're now going to stick this just at the back of the bird to create its little tail. All it is going to need is a little bit of glue on either side, just to help secure it. This is our lovely little bird of paradise. Please do share your birds with us using the hashtag FEArtschool, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye!